All right, so we're going to try this out today. All right, and this is where you plug her in at. Let me pop this open. I mean, you plug the leads in here. See that? So this thing here is going to go in there. I think it's got, you got to look at it, all right, and see which way it goes. This one's got a flat surface on it. That one's got a flat surface on it. So you're going to put it in like that, I think. You really got to push it to get it in there. Okay, look, we're on. So we're at 100%, and now we can go ahead and hook that up. And I think we press that button when we want to charge it. So I'm going to pull it out right now. It's hard to get out. I got to get it out of there. Okay. Okay, got it out. All right, set that down. We'll take this over and we're going to see if we can start Ava's car with it. All right, there we go. I think this is like the on sign here, but I don't know. That's what I think. That's how we turn it on. But anyway, I don't know if it's here. Let's go ahead and set it back in the case. We'll put this thing in here so that we can go across the street and try to start the car. And then we'll just, we may need this too. Bring that over there and see if we can get that baby started. How's that sound? All right, so anyway, this is the car. We got to unlock it. And then I got to get inside. I'm going to set this over here on the ground for right now. And then I got to get inside here and we got to open up the hood. So this is a Honda. And I do believe, should be in here somewhere. Oh, over on the side here. So you see this thing here? I got to pull this to get the hood open. So you can hear that little pop when I pulled it, right? And then we can just go ahead, leave the keys. Well, I'll keep them on my hand, on me, just in case. Oh well, I was gonna roll the window down, but we know it's unlocked. All right, so now we just got to figure out how we get this open. I'm gonna set the keys here for right now. And then I'm just going to slide my hand in here. And usually it's like there's a thing that you hit. Oh, it's down here. So when I put my hand in this, right above this thing, and I move over, I feel a little latch. And so I got to push it in this direction. And I'll show it to you once I do that. Shit, should just raise up. Oh, wow, this thing's heavier than a son of a gun. All right, so then you got to pull this up, put it over here. You follow me? Oh my God, this hood is super, super heavy. I mean, and this is that latch that I was telling you about. When I push it, when I stick my finger in like this, so you bring your hand here, slide it in, and then you got to push it this way. That's how you open it. See how it opens this mechanism here? This little catches on this thing right here. You can see where all that grease is. So when you go like that, it opens it up. All right. So over here's our battery. All right. And this is a brand new car, really. And so what we got to do is we got to pull this terminal off of here because we got to get underneath it. Usually it has a snapper, but whatever. I guess I can get to it right there, right? I can hook it right there. Look how that's all bent. That doesn't look good. And this one here. All right, so now we just got to hook it up and then plug it in and do it. All right, so let's do that. I'm going to need my stand here. I'm just going to come over here so you guys can see. All right, so let's get a little closer. So I've got to hook up my leads and all that stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unzip this bad boy right here. We're going to get our thing out. Here it is. Let's grab it. So you can get, this has a little finger hole so you can pull it out, right? That's all the charging stuff. We'll set it here. Let's get our leads out of here. Got them. And then there it is, right? So now what I've got to do is I got to connect this to the red, that to the black. It's pretty simple. But before I do that, I got to get it in here, right? And you got to make sure that you look. See, there's a flat area there. There's a flat area right there. So I got to twist this, turn it, and so both of these things are facing out. You follow me? Right there. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this down right here, maybe like that, turn it towards it, and then we just got to put our leads on. So I'm going to put this first hot lead on here. All right, it's on. And then I got to put my cold lead on over here. So they don't really give you a lot of leeway with this. I got to really move it over. Okay, let me show you so you can see it. So I got the hot lead on there, right? And I got the cold lead on there. Now it's showing right here what's going on. So I think now we can, let's see what's going on here. We're at 100%. Now all we got to do is go inside and start it up. I got the keys in my pocket. So let's see if this works. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in. I'm just going to press this button here and see if it starts up. Here we go. Wow. So definitely put my foot on the brake and I hit it. And bam, there we go. It worked. It started up. Check it out. Now we can go ahead and take our leads off, right? And guess what? This frickin' thing works. That thing works, man. Yeah. I'm totally surprised. I didn't think it would, but it worked great. Now we just gotta let it charge the battery up a little bit because it's been sitting here. That's why it's in the shape that it's in. I mean, this car's brand new, you know, and give you a little look around. Here it is. It's a Honda. You know, here's the info on it. You know, and it's a good car, man. It's brand new, really. I forget what the name of this is. I think it's oh, it's an HRV. Really good looking car, to tell you the truth. So we're just gonna let it charge up. Then we may take it for a ride. Looks like the tires are a little low, but we could check that. Let's take a look inside. Brake system. All right, let's see if we can figure out how to do it. Wait to take a look and see. You know, you'd think it would show me if the tires were down, but I'm not seeing anything on there. So I don't really know how to, I'm not really familiar with this car because I've never really driven it. But apparently I think we're okay. Now the brake, is the brake on? I don't think so. That's the parking brake. Let's turn that off. Oh, here is why the battery is dead. Right there, look at that. That is why this battery is dead. So this is something, don't leave this stuff plugged in, man. That's why your battery dies. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So, yeah, let's undo that. And just set that right there. Let me shut this and see if the lights are on. All right, let's see if the light, okay, that light went out. So, I mean, we're good here, right? I don't get it. I don't know why the battery died. Maybe it just was sitting here too long. But, and it could have been this stuff here, you know, being plugged in. You know, what the hell? You know, that might have been the reason. I'll just leave that stuff there. This is weird because this comes out of here. And I mean, is that the weirdest thing you've seen? It just comes out of here. And I don't know if like these leads are hot or what. I mean, let's put it right there, I guess. I don't know how to take that out of there, but it's in there. And yeah, we'll just let it charge up. Pull the window down. But the lights are off. Everything, you know, seems to be okay. The brake, to turn it off, we just go like that. So if you want to put the brake on, you pull up. You can hear the sound. Turn it off. That's how you do it. Very simple. This is if you're going down a decline. It's got your driving modes. And, you know, it's a brake hold. But that is very weird. It's got a lot of ports on it. And so you can do a lot of charging. But I think that might have been the reason because that thing was lit up, you know? So we'll just let it charge for a while. And yeah, that's your HRV, I guess, Honda. Let's take a look at the name of it again. HRV, yeah. So let's go ahead and put our stuff away. Oh, look at that. It doesn't like it when I walk away from the car with the fob. All right, so anyway, let's put this away. So we got to unhook it, right? So let's take this apart. When we're done with it, you want to separate this. And it doesn't come off easy, man. It does not come off easy. And then you're going to put her in like that. Just like that. And this one here goes in here on this side. So that definitely worked well. I like this. It's much easier than jumping the car with another car. You just got to get them in there. And then that's it, man. So I would highly recommend this. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.